Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. Romantic. This is the title of the upcoming Telugu movie, which has been scripted by Puri Jagannath. For whom? For his son Akash Puri. Yes, Akash Puri will be playing the lead role in this movie, the role of the hero of Romantic. Doesn't the title look awesome? It definitely looks awesome. At the onset, I want to tell that Puri Jagannath and Charmi Kaur have produced this movie Romantic. And as I already said, Puri Jagannath's son Akash Puri is leading the star cast, star ensemble by playing the protagonist of Romantic. Akash Puri in the trailer is looking raw like a lover boy. He is presented in a raw way, not in a very romantic way. He looks in a raw way, and the heroine looks really bubbly, cute, awesome, adorable, and gorgeous. And did I mention the name of the heroine? Ketaki Sharma will be the heroine of Romantic. And what chemistry they're going to produce on screen, Akash Puri and Ketaki Sharma, we need to wait and watch for the movie. But for time being, they're looking like a good pair on screen. I should admit that I did not like the trailer very much. It is okay. It is decent. It has signature style of Puri Jagannath sir. And I don't call it as a magical or wow or awe factor. That wow or awe factor is missing in the trailer. I feel since it is Puri Jagannath behind the entire concept, I felt the trailer should have been more powerful, more impactful. No doubt that there are shades of Puri Jagannath's touch, but the magic and awe factor and wow factor are definitely missing from the trailer. That's why I said I did not like it very much. I can call it as a decent or okay trailer, but not a really good or awesome trailer. Anil Paduri is the director of the movie Romantic, and I feel he gives us more to see, and he explores more of this romantic, the word romantic or the romance much in the movie in comparison to what has been shown in the trailer. I'll be really happy if the entire key components of entertainment which are there regularly in Puri Jagannath's film are there in Romantic, because the title itself looks so romantic, so awesome. But when we go into the depth of the trailer of Romantic, rather than romantic, the other shades are seen. I felt that Puri Jagannath is trying to give a different dimension, give different structure and different perspective of the term romantic. What I feel is that the movie is trying to differentiate between infatuation, attraction, love, lust, romance, all these things. So what are these emotions? Are they the different sides of the same coin, or are they totally different? Is there a slight elemental difference between these things? I think Puri Jagannath and his team want to prove and show in this particular movie Romantic. So what we happen to see in the trailer of Romantic is there is a boy, there is a girl, the hero and heroine. The hero stalks the heroine. I don't know why people are behind the concept of stalking. Recently there was a concept of stalking which was also graced with that romantic aspect or the love aspect in the Hindi movie Shiddat. So as I said, the boy stalks the girl, and the girl questions him, what do you want from me? And later we are shown that some chemistry is being developed between the boy and the girl, that they don't know that they are in a deep love with each other. It is only the police inspector played by Ramya Krishna. She finds out that there is a strong romance, a strong love between those two characters, the hero and heroine, but they are thinking that it is infatuation. They are thinking that it is only attraction, but it is beyond attraction, and it is definitely deep-seated, deep-rooted love is what she feels. So when she questions the hero about love, he tells that he has not gone to explore that particular concept of love. He is still not in love. He equates love with pain. If you love, there will be a lot of pain, and if there will be pain, we need to cry a lot, and he hates the pain and cry. And that's why he tells he doesn't believe in the institution of love. And once when the same police inspector tells the girl that the boy is not in love with her, she tells, I know that he doesn't love me, so let us be. So just let us be. Whether it is love or whatever, we will live with each other, just let us be. So what is this strange chemistry developing between the hero and heroine? Is there love? Is there infatuation? Are they only attracted to each other, or are they not able to express their love or accept the love, or they are running away from the love? What is the police inspector doing in the movie? Why she has arrested our hero? I feel the concept revolving around these things forms the rest of the story or the premise of Romantic. I feel by the looks and also the name of the police station, the movie has been shot more or less in Goa. And when we come to the visual part, it should be a visual treat to watch this movie. The music seems to be okay. The presentation of the heroine in a beautiful way reminded me of Urmila Matondkar being presented in Rangila, and touches of Ram Gopal Verma in this particular movie. So that is my take, reaction, and review of the trailer of Puri Jagannath's Romantic. The trailer is average, I should tell, 2 to 2.5 out of 5. I would love to rate it. And I wish the quality of the movie rises beyond the bar, and probably it scores 3.5 or 4. The movie Romantic is slated to be released on 29th October 2021. So fingers crossed to know how the movie will be once it gets released. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.